to make a custom door in Voxatron. So really quickly, my personal workflow for how to create custom anything. I am going to choose the door already pre-made. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to press Control-C to copy it, Control-V to paste it. So when you use this method, you essentially only need to go inside the prop and modify it. So let's make it all 20. Get rid of old artwork. Let's go ahead and fill this in. Now, door will need to have a front, which I will explain a little bit later. So therefore, I put design on the door frame. Okay, put this in the middle. So now I'm going to copy the artwork and put the artwork in the marker object. Okay, so my door is 20, so I'm going to go and check. Length, width, and height look okay, but I guess I can make it 20. All right, and now let's place those two doors or halves of the same door in the room and make it so we can pass from one to another. So basically what you want to do, let's go ahead and do this. So this door will go this way, this door will go that way. So now all we need to do is we need to connect our destination door and our source door, right? So we do it by using this number. So this number is 571. So this door gets it, 571. So this door itself is 572. So this door gets it, 572. Okay. And that should work. Let's go ahead and test. So let's put up layer in, and let's go through here, come on the other side.